YouTubers. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do a green screen for your Talking Tom imitate. So a shout out to a friend YouTuber that actually helped me to find an easy way I can do this. So first you have to go to Instagram and then go to your profile picture and click. Open your camera. And then you're going to see post, story, or reels. Click on the reels. And then click effects with the 3 stars. And then slide all the way to browse effects. Click it. And then type in green screen. And then click the first picture. And then click try it. And then go back and find it. Click add media. And then you can do all kinds of different wallpaper styles. But I'm going to pick the brick wall. And after you pick your wallpaper, you can do any kind of imitate of the Talking Tom in the Mac, so you can see my hand. And there you go. And that's how you do your Talking Tom. You just save it. I use iMovie to edit my videos. And for example, here's one of my son. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe and like our video. Bye!